A black or frozen infotainment screen on a Global B GMC Sierra 2500 is fixed by pressing and holding the end call button on your steering wheel for 15 seconds. This forces a direct hard reset of the Google built-in system without needing tools or a dealership visit. The infotainment screen on the 2022 and newer trucks manages everything from climate controls to vehicle diagnostics, making a blank display a major inconvenience. Put your truck in park and leave the engine running. Locate the phone hang-up button on the right side of your steering wheel. Press this button down firmly and keep holding it. Do not let go when the cluster flashes or if you hear a small pop from the speakers. Keep the button depressed for a full 10 to 15 seconds until the center display goes completely dark. Once the screen is black, release the button and wait. The system is performing a deep cycle reboot of the Global B architecture. It will take significantly longer to turn back on compared to a normal vehicle startup. The Android Automotive operating system is reloading all its background modules. You will eventually see the GMC logo appear, followed by the Google profile loading screen. If the steering wheel button method fails to revive the screen, the system requires a hard power drain. Turn the truck off and open the hood. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative battery cable. Leave this cable disconnected for 10 minutes. This drains the capacitors inside the radio module and forces a complete cold boot of the entire network. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten it securely. Start the engine and give the infotainment center up to 5 minutes to fully initialize. The screen will wake up and all your touch controls will be restored. Avoid clicking multiple buttons rapidly while the system rebuilds its cache. The screen is now fully functional and ready for the road.